Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll tap into the spaciousness of our inhales and the softness of our exhales so that we can expand these qualities into our experience. Begin by settling into a comfortable position where you can lengthen your spine with ease. Soften through your shoulders and let them settle. Relax your arms, hands resting in your lap, and gently close your eyes. Take a few deep, full breaths. Let your breaths call you into the present moment, as though giving yourself permission to fully arrive to your practice. And now, settle into a comfortable, natural breathing pattern. Without tension, inhale through your nose. Do the same for your exhales, breathing out through your nostrils. And if you feel tension around your breath, feel free to breathe out through your mouth instead. And turning your attention to your inhales, notice the spontaneous space that's created in your ribs and lungs. As the lungs expand out into your rib cage, there is a physical space that's created inside the body to accommodate your breath. For a few breaths, stay present with this sense of space that is naturally created with each of your inhales. And maintaining this awareness of space, turn your attention to your exhales. Notice the way your lungs and ribs naturally soften and surrender as you breathe out. As your lungs instinctively contract, the muscles around your rib cage soften in response. For the next few breaths, pay attention to this sense of softness naturally created through each of your exhales. And as always, your mind will unavoidably wander at some point. You might even catch yourself judging your ability to stay present. Today, rather than trying to stop or to modify your thoughts or judgments, breathe a sense of space and softness around them. Imagine your mind padded in the spacious quality of your inhales and the innate softness of your exhales. And now, take a moment to feel into your physical body. Notice any areas that feel hardened, tight, or strained. And simply direct your breath into these areas. As you breathe in, create a sense of space around this tension. And use your exhales to help you soften. Again, you're not trying to change what's happening in your body. You're just wrapping your physical experience in the space and softness of your breath. Now direct your attention to your heart center. This is the seat of your emotions. Without overthinking it, tune into what's present for you in this area. You might be aware of a particular emotion. Perhaps you notice the feeling of loneliness or peaceful joy. Or maybe there are sensations present that are hard to identify and name. Whatever is there, allow for it just as it is. And once more, use your breath to expand and soften your experience. Breathe in space around your heart center. Breathe out softness. And now relax your attention. Whether mental, physical, or emotional, our experiences can at times feel so intense that it seems like there is no room for anything else. We get fully engrossed in our tasks. We easily become wrapped up in our emotions. We let our thoughts carry us into potential scenarios that have not yet happened. And all of this can feel overwhelming and constricting. It's not always possible to change the situation that we find ourselves in, but we can certainly change our perspective around it. And what better way to do that than to tap into something we constantly have at our disposal: breath. Our breath holds such simple yet powerful wisdom. Space with our inhales, softness with our exhales. We've all experienced the cleansing and calming effects of taking a few conscious breaths. So the next time you feel yourself tight and constricted, whatever the source of your tension, turn to the intelligence of your breath. Allow the natural qualities of your inhales and exhales to infuse your experience with space and softness. Now feel into your physical body once more. Notice your body in space. Slowly bring yourself back into the room around you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation has served you well. See you again soon.